If you want to take your boxing to the next level and actually master the sweet science in its true art form, make the pendulum bounce your friend. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. I want to get right into it. This was created in the 70s and 80s to dominate the amateur circuit in Russia. All right. That's where the Soviet boxing style and the art of the pendulum bounce came into play. So just like I'm facing you here, I want you to just start bouncing up and down. Get nice and loose on your toes. In essence, when it comes to that sweet science and moving in and out, because it's all about hitting and not getting hit, it comes from the pendulum bounce. So just get comfortable bouncing up and down, okay? You want your heels to slightly touch the floor, but not all the way. So all the pressure isn't on your calves, because if it is, you're gonna get tired very quickly. And see, like I'm facing forward, it's not completely aligned. Your back foot is right outside that front foot, okay? And the key and the first step is shifting your weight from left, so both feet first and forward, to right, both feet facing sideways. And that goes into the weight shifting when you're throwing in the punches. So just get comfortable, getting nice and loose. Make this concept or this method in boxing your friend. It will take you very far, and it will help you become relaxed and more fluid in the motion. Okay, now that you're comfortable, it's what it looks like from the side. Now that you're comfortable going from left to right and shifting that weight from the left leg to the right leg, we're just going to implement the slipping portion. Okay, you see, as I'm doing this, I'm constantly breaking this center line, and later on you'll see why this is very effective. So as I'm constantly breaking that shifting, that center line, and you see I'm making my whole body relax and loose. I'm tightening my core. I'm tucking that chin in. I'm not having it out there to get hit. It makes everything flow into this movement. Now we're gonna bring our hands up. And just like our body, our hands are nice, loose, relaxed, protecting those vital organs, having those elbows in, and those hands up right by your face to block if need be. Okay? Now, the first thing you want to do is jab. Okay? And that jab is coming from that shifting. You see that? So from the side, it's coming from that shifting of the weight. But the key thing, when you're doing it, you're not flaring, you're not going like this. You're not flaring your elbow. You're having it go in a straight line. Okay? Now as you get comfortable throwing that jab out in a straight line, you see my head is off that center at the same time, then that cross will come in naturally, both feet facing forward, and that's where that momentum comes into play. And then every punch thereafter follows in sync. Okay? You can see every punch thereafter follows in sync as you're doing it. But you got to get comfortable in that bounce, because everything comes from that pendulum bounce. And as you make it your friend, I guarantee you will truly understand the essence of the sweet science and how really adding this pendulum bounce to your arsenal will take you far in the sport. And plus, it helps you get relaxed. Okay, that is the key thing. The more relaxed you are and composed in the stance, the less energy you're going to expend, and the more comfortable you are at seeing everything come your way when your opponent's trying to come in. But the key benefit of the pendulum bounce is that ability to shift weight. Okay, that's the first one. Break that center line when you're punching and going in and out. So I'm here and going in and out. Okay, so I'm constantly moving completely off center from the target to not get hit. Hopefully this helps. Make it your best friend. Practice this as much as possible. Have fun in the process. Always be a student to the game, and always work towards becoming your greatest version. But before that, if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And thank you for joining me.